Finding the best non-toxic slow cooker can feel tricky when you just want safe, simple meals for your family. The best non-toxic slow cooker usually uses ceramic, stainless steel, or lead-free materials so you can cook soups, stews, and chili without worrying about harmful coatings. I've tested a few in my own kitchen and noticed how much peace of mind a clean, non-toxic cooking surface can bring, especially for everyday meals many families in the US rely on during busy weeknights. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. GreenLife 8QT Non-Toxic Ceramic Slow Cooker. The GreenLife 8QT Non-Toxic Ceramic Slow Cooker is ideal for family meals or meal prep. I really like the PFAS-free ceramic interior, which makes cooking healthier and cleanup effortless. The extra-large 8QT capacity easily handles big roasts, whole chickens, or meals for 10+ people. The simple control panel with low, medium, high, delay timer, and keep warm makes cooking stress-free. It can cook from 30 minutes to 20 hours and keeps food warm up to 4 hours. The removable pot is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Overall, it's a reliable, safe, and practical slow cooker for everyday use. Number 4. All-Clad 7QT Stainless Steel Slow Cooker. The All-Clad 7QT Stainless Steel Slow Cooker is perfect for family meals and safe everyday cooking. I really like the programmable LCD timer, which makes monitoring cooking effortless, and the oven-safe aluminum insert, letting you finish meals in the oven for extra flavor. Its 7-quart capacity handles large dinners with ease, and the removable ceramic-coated insert makes cleanup simple. The stainless steel body and non-stick insert make it one of the best non-toxic stainless steel slow cookers for families who care about healthy cooking. It offers low, high, high/low modes with automatic keep warm for up to 6 hours. The only minor drawback is that the lid isn't dishwasher safe. Overall, it's a reliable, convenient slow cooker that combines performance, safety, and ease. Number 3. GreenPan 6QT 14-in-1 Ceramic Slow Cooker. The GreenPan 6QT 14-in-1 ceramic slow cooker is a versatile option for anyone looking for a healthy, toxin-free cooking experience. I love that it has a PFAS-free ceramic crock, which makes meals safer and cleanup effortless. Another feature that impressed me is the in-pot browning, letting you seared meats and vegetables without using a separate pan, perfect for building flavor right in the cooker. Its 6-quart capacity easily handles family dinners or meal prep for the week. The 14 one-touch presets make cooking almost automatic, from slow cooking to steaming, baking, or reheating leftovers. The removable pot is sturdy and dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning stress-free. The only drawback is that the cooker is a bit heavy, so moving it requires both hands. Overall, it's a premium, family-friendly slow cooker that blends convenience, health, and versatility in one appliance. Number 2. Ninja 8.5 QT Multi-Cooker Pro Foodie. The Ninja 8.5 QT Multi-Cooker Pro Foodie is perfect if you want a versatile slow cooker that can handle big family meals and more. I love how it replaces 14 appliances, meaning you can slow cook, steam, sauté, or even bake all in one pot. Great for saving space in the kitchen. The oven-safe to 500 degrees F pot is another feature I found really handy for finishing dishes with a crispy top. With its huge 8.5-quart capacity, I've made chili for a crowd and roasted a full chicken with ease. The triple fusion heat technology cooks food faster while keeping it tender and flavorful. I also enjoy the included multi-purpose utensil, which stays right on the lid handle. The only downside is that it's a bit heavy, so moving it can take 2 hands. Overall, it's a powerhouse for anyone who wants a flexible, family-friendly slow cooker. Number 1. GreenLife 6QT Non-Toxic Ceramic Slow Cooker. The GreenLife 6QT Non-Toxic Ceramic Slow Cooker is a great pick if you want the best non-toxic slow cooker that feels simple and safe for daily meals. I like how the ceramic interior gives peace of mind when cooking soups, chili, or a slow roast for the family. The large 6-quart pot easily fits a whole chicken or a big batch of stew, which works well for busy weeknights or Sunday meal prep. The PFAS-free coat makes cleanup quick and food releases without a struggle. Another feature I enjoy is the stovetop-safe pot, which lets you sear meat first for deeper flavor before slow cooking. The control panel is simple, with low, medium, and high settings, plus a handy delay timer. The only downside is the lightweight pot can feel a bit thin compared to heavy ceramic crocks. Still, for healthy cooking and family-size meals, it's a very practical choice. Final verdict. After testing several options, I personally recommend the GreenLife 6QT non-toxic ceramic slow cooker as the best overall product. It combines a safe, PFAS-free ceramic interior with a family-friendly 6-quart size, making it perfect for everyday meals, meal prep, and easy cleanup. For those looking for extra versatility or larger capacity, the Ninja 8.5 QT Multi-Cooker Pro Foodie is a great choice. Its 8-in-1 functions, oven-safe pot, and triple fusion heat technology make it ideal for entertaining, meal prep, or more complex recipes. Both slow cookers offer reliable performance and convenience, so it really depends on your needs. Check the description links for current prices and more details, and pick the cooker that fits your style and kitchen best.